Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace your Audi e-tron key battery. First, gather your tools, a new CR2032 battery, and a small flathead screwdriver or a dedicated pry tool. Make sure you have good lighting and a clean surface to work on. This simple process will have your key fob working like new in just a few minutes, saving you a trip to the dealership. Let's get started. Now, let's open the key fob. Find the small release button on the side of the fob and press it firmly. This will allow you to slide out the emergency key blade. Once the blade is removed, you'll see a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or pry tool into this slot and gently twist to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Use your pry tool to gently lift out the old battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. It should click securely into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Don't forget to slide the emergency key blade back into its slot. Test your key fob to ensure it's working correctly. Also, check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.